Hello viewers, welcome to Inside Africa. Have you fastened your seatbelt yet? If yes, get ready as we present to you the 10 fascinating facts about Ogidi town. Enjoy. Number 1. Ogidi is known as an Igbo-speaking town. Number 2. Ogidi is the headquarters of Idemili North local government area in Anambra State, Nigeria. Number 3. Ogidi has an estimated population of 70,000 people. Number 4. Ogidi shares boundaries with Abatete, Eziowele, Mkpo, Umunnachi, Umoji, Ubunike, and Umudioka. Number 5. Ogidi is the birthplace of internationally known author Chinua Achebe. Number 6. Ogidi people are known for protecting pythons, as the creature is regarded as a deity. Number 7. The name Ogidi means strong pillar. Number 8. Ogidi is best known for its mid-July annual Nwafu festival, an 11-day festival in July that takes place after cultivation of yams. Number 9. The founding father of Ogidi is known as Eze Chumaha, born in 1550. And finally, number 10. The current Igwe Ogidi as at the time of this publication is His Royal Majesty Eze Ozodimma Alexander Yudo, the Eze Chumaha of Ogidi town. If you're from Ogidi or not, did you find this video interesting? If yes, please give us a thumbs up and share to your families and friends. If you want to watch more of this content, hit the subscription button and notification bell to get notified each time we publish videos like this. See you on the next video. Bye.